Hey guys, what's up? How are you doing? I hope you had a wonderful night. My name is Alban, and on today's tutorial I want to be showing you guys how to whiten the teeth in Photoshop. So before we begin, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also turn on the bell notification so that you'll be updated when I post content like this. So without wasting much of your time, let's get into the video.
We are in the video right now, and all you have to do, this was after I whitened the teeth. This was the before. You can see that the teeth has a lot of yellows and a bit of red. Yeah, a lot of yellows. So this is the before, this is the before, this is the after. So let me delete this layer. So all you have to do now is to duplicate the background here by holding Ctrl J on the keyboard. Then next you have to make a selection of the teeth. Yeah. Okay, I'll fast forward this part. Okay, I'm done making this selection. So all you have to do is to feather it with a feather with a radius of 2. Then you hit OK. Then next you go to your hue and saturation. Now you're going to increase the hue to about 100 and saturation. Okay, that means this color that means it's already this teeth that has been selected. So all you have to do next is to drag, is to click on this eyedropper tool and select the yellows. So now all you have to do now is to drag it down till you don't see the yellows anymore. Okay, go to the red to do something. Okay, so now this is before, this is after. So this is a bit dark, so let's brighten it up a bit. Go to your masters, increase the brightness. Okay, so we are done with that. Let's see our before and after. Ctrl G to go. So this is before, this is the after, this is before, and this is after. So that's all for today's tutorial, and if you have any video requests, don't forget to drop it down in the comment section below. And if you have any other questions related to this or any other tutorial videos I have posted before, also leave the question in the comment section below, and I'll also put other links in this video at the top and side, so you can click on it. If you are new here, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in further tutorials to come. Thank you.